Good morning, guys, and welcome to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, I am SendIt Steve, and this is my garage. We got a little bit of a surprise for you guys, and I promise you, I can explain. Alrighty, before we get started here, I want to put the push rods in some oil, get them soaked a while. A lot of people. Well, somebody really did call codes on me. Let's go figure this out. Legitimately, after I finish the stone and everything. Codes visit. Wow. Unreal. The fire pit and it all, like, it was just like dog crap and stuff there.
You brought stone in, right? Yeah, you can.
That's all I did was put fresh stone on top. I did not leave and see it stuff back here. Like, in front of the shed there was all stone. Yeah, I was gonna say that's all stone. It just had trash and everything. That's literally the last part.
And it's all over sweater. And it's all over sweater. I know that.
Yeah, legitimately on top of this hill, he's got 3 cars out there.
Okay.
Yeah. No, I mean, I'm not that type of person. It's just like.
No, I'm just saying it's for a reason.
Yeah.
The reason is because of flooding.
Yeah.
Flooding causes properties to damage. It's all to protect everything, not just one person.
Well, like I said, you see, I've done everything.
No, that's why I haven't found you yet to do.
Yeah.
But you know by now what I expect.
Yeah.
So you got to do it or I'll find you.
Yeah.
I'm not trying to be a nasty. I've been more than patient.
I'm one person. I even rented a garage. That's where the big trucks are. Like, I'm just out.
Yeah, you can't work on people's shit. It's not a business.
Yeah. No, I haven't. I mean, I fix my own stuff in a group.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
I'm not saying. I'm just saying you can't have gardens, things torn down.
Diesel's just waking up, and we got the valve covers.
No, I don't mean to hassle you. I'm just saying I want. You've done a lot of work.
Yeah.
But
One person. I live here by myself.
I'll leave you alone. I'm just saying I won't. If you think I won't find you, I will.
Yeah. No, you see.
And those fines get expensive.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, they
Exactly.
because I can write them every day.
Yeah.
Every day's a new offense.
Yeah. Exactly what you said. I've done.
I know.
I even stacked that pile of stone that was up there. Was knocked over. I even stacked that along the fence. Like, I'm trying here.
Yeah, I know you are.
$100.
It is. I just don't.
And it was way worse way before you seen it. Alright. Yep, we'll see it. Whoever the lazy piece of crap is that is just calling is insane, guys. Somebody really doesn't like me, and I don't know who. Honest to goodness, whoever called codes is insane. I have all the pictures, all the documents that I need. As you can tell, yesterday's video, we laid gravel down and they legit tried to come out and say that we extended our driveway, which we did not. If I was gonna extend the driveway, I would have flattened all of this out over here, made that parking, but no. Codes got the call saying that we extended the driveway, and he came out. He has his pictures, guys. They legitimately, he showed me the pictures. He was like, oh yeah, that is stone. So whoever called, I appreciate you. You just helped me make another video. So let's get in with the video for today. Unbelievable. Wow. This thing is just insane, to say the least. But if you guys don't know, we are going to be storing this here for a little bit of time. Mike's paid his rent. He's good to go. So if you don't know, definitely check it out. Everyone always asks about the garage and why I don't use it to work on things. Well, it's because it's basically a storage facility at this point. And we got my buddy Mike, Street Speed 717. Definitely check him out. He's going to be bringing... Stop. Whoa.
Oh, that closed already?
Yeah.
Oh, boy.
It should close though still.
Okay.
I'm assuming.
Let's try it.
Oh boy, is that going to be close.
It's gonna be close, what?
That's going to be close.
Stop. You're scared.
Look how close you are to my bumper.
I know. It's... Oh, that's... Oh. I think it will.
I think it will, but it's going to be real close.
Oh,
Which we can move the Trans Am back a little bit.
no, we're good. We're good. Oh!
Oh, but it clears. It's just that first rung hit. She's in.
Right,
She
so
is in.
the tightest fit ever.
Definitely.
Yeah, we could go back. We have a couple more inches.
Yeah, I could pull this car back another foot. If I pull these engines out and put them in the center,
That's done.
we got room.
That's perfect.
Definitely.
Okay, I'm a fan.
Well, if you guys don't know Mike, definitely check him out, Street Speed 717. Obviously, you guys know him, but, yeah, you got to say it, though. Otherwise, people are like, who's that guy?
Well, this is SendIt Steve, if you don't know. I feel like the Civic has been
It's all over the internet, yeah.
Somehow I didn't notice that.
Definitely.
I think people know who we are.
I hope so. And Mike made me an offer on the Corvette, so stay tuned for that. We'll see what happens.
I did.
Oh, boy. Well, there you have it. The Blazer is now tucked in safely inside. Let's get out of here and get this stone spread. Not sure if you guys can see everything. Maybe I'll have to put this in tomorrow's video here. But let's see over here. Nope, you can't see anything. Maybe up here you can see because of the sunset. Not sure if you guys can see, but there's vehicles right there. Why is everyone calling on me? There's other people to worry about. All right, let me get down here and do an outro. Holy smokes, did it get cold, guys. We have like a cold front coming in, and it's probably, I'd say 32 degrees right now, or maybe a little colder than that. I think last time I looked, it was like 31. But it is freaking cold, and it is what it is. So if you guys don't know, we do still have the Jeep. I mean, everybody keeps asking questions like, where's this, where's that? If you guys don't see it in the driveway, you guys automatically call it out like, oh, where's this, where's that? He's borrowing it, he's this or that. Guys, I got things laid all over here between my garage, my driveway, my buddy's place. Like, we have cars all over, but we're not here to talk about that, guys. There you have it again. I'm a little butthurt that somebody did call codes, but at the end of the day, it is what it is. I was able to get a video out of it, and then today's video that I was gonna post is now gonna be for tomorrow. So We got content coming out for days. I'm shivering, I'm cold, but it is what it is, guys. Whoever keeps calling, all you're doing is generating me money at this point. And like I said before, I mean, I'll just keep doing what he says. You heard in the end of the video there, if you did hear or did not hear, I said to him, like, everything you're doing, I'm complying with. So he knows, he's aware of it. The one piece that he did say I have to get out of here is literally a transmission sitting here. But it is what it is, guys. But there you guys have it. If you like the content, please smash that like button. Please subscribe. And I'm going inside where it's a lot warmer. Take care, guys. We'll see you in the next one.